Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahma Wida Putri MPD, Institution of Muhammadiyah High School of Pharmacy Tangerang. Today, I will present the result of my research in collaboration with Cynthia Novita Sapitri with the title Analysis of BPJS Patient Satisfaction Level of Pharmaceutical Unit Care Service Unit at Balaraja IFRS. The title, Analysis of BPJS Patient Satisfaction Level of Pharmaceutical Unit Care Service Unit at Balaraja FRS. Introduction. Health is one of the elements of general that must be realized through the development of connection. Health development is one of the national development efforts directed to achieve awareness, willingness, and ability to live healthy for everyone in order to realize the optimal level of public health quoted from the Ministry of Health, 1992. The hospital is one of the health facilities where health efforts are organized. Health efforts are organized with maintenance approaches, health improvement or promotive, prevention, disease healing or curative, and health recovery or rehabilitative, which are implemented in a comprehensive, integrated, and sustainable manner. Hospital pharmacy service is one of the activities at the hospital to support quality health service. Quality pharmaceutical service greatly influences the quality of health service and even becomes one of the determinants of the image of health service institutions in the eyes of the public. Research problem. How much the level of satisfaction of BPJS patients toward outpatient pharmacy service at IFRS Balaraja Hospital? Research objective. The purpose of this study was to find out how much the level of satisfaction of BPJS patients towards outpatient pharmacy service at IFRS Balaraja Hospital. Background: a good drug distribution where Harvard abbreviated as CDOB is a way of distribution of drugs and/or medicinal materials aimed at ensuring quality along the distribution or distribution channels in accordance with the requirements and objectives. Berkah BPOM 2012. Pharmacy is a pharmacy service facility where pharmaceutical practice is carried out by pharmacy. Menkes number 73, 2060. The main problem, as a health service institution with many competitors, is the service provided whether it meets the expectation of the patients or customer or not. Therefore, the Balaraja Regional General Hospital is required to always maintain the trust and satisfaction of patients or customers by increasing the quality of service so that patients' satisfaction increases. Balaraja Regional General Hospitals need to carefully determine the needs of patients or customers to meet the expectation or desires and increases satisfaction with the service provided. Indicators: 1. Responsiveness, 2. Reliability, 3. Assurance, 4. Empathy, and 5. Enables. Research concepts. variable-dependent analysis of BPJS patient satisfaction level of pharmaceutical unit care service unit at Balaraja FRS. Variable-independent aspects of physical evidence, reliability, assurance, responsiveness, empathy at Balaraja Regional General Hospital Tangerang Regency. Hypothesis. Based on the formula of the above problem, the hypothesis this research that how much the level of satisfaction of BPJS patients toward outpatient pharmacy service at EFRS Balaraja Hospital. Research method. Types of research. This research is a non-experimental descriptive study with a qualitative approach. Research objects. The object in this study is Balaraja Regional General Hospital Tangerang Regency. Research subject, aspects of physical evidence, reliability, assurance, responsiveness, empathy at Balaraja Regional General Hospital Tangerang Regency. Research time, this research was conducted in December 2018 and to May 2019 at Balaraja Regional General Hospital Tangerang Regency. Research and discussion. Respondents are grouped into 5 categories. 1. Under 20 years. 2. 20 years to 30 years. 3. 31 to 40 years. 4. 41 to 50 years. 5. Up 50 years. The results of the data that have been examined by the distribution of respondents by age show the majority of patients who visited the age of up 50 years. This is because of the older a person's age, the weaker the function of each organ in the body. The quality of this research service is an independent variable consisting of physical evidence, reliability, assurance, empathy, and pharmaceutical service responsiveness to patients. Respondents' satisfaction with physical evidence service as a whole patient feel quite satisfied with the service that have been received. 1. Non-concoction prescription service speed under 20 minutes. The speed of prescription concoction service under 30 minutes. Orderly service quizzes. The voice of the officer when calling the patient is clear. When the patient asks, the officer can answer. Overall, from the reliability dimension, it can be concluded that the patient feels quite satisfied with a value of 0.67. 1. Comfortable pharmacy waiting room, fan and television. 2. The waiting room is kept clean. 3. Sitting in the waiting room is adequate. 4. The pharmacy waiting room is spacious and not just. After seeing the comparison between expectation and reality, it can be concluded overall that the service to this dimension of responsiveness is sufficient. Conclusion. Based on research that has been done, the research shows that the level of patient satisfaction in the outpatient pharmacy installation unit of Balaraja Hospital research an average value of 0.77 with quite satisfactory interpretation. The satisfaction includes 5 dimensions as a benchmark, namely tangible dimension or physical evidence, reliability dimension, assurance dimension, responsiveness dimension, and empathy. Thank you very much. for watching.